In today's video, we will learn how to make beautiful upool using vegetables. For this, we will use an onion and we will use tomatoes and cucumbers. First of all, we have to cut 2 parts of the onion and fold them into a round shape. Along with this, we have to cut the round part of the tomato and place it in the middle. After that, we will use the same onion to make leaves on both sides of it and put them on its sides in the same round way. Now, we have to make a branch behind them, for which we will use cucumbers. We cut it from the cucumber and make a long branch. And now we have to make it beautiful below. For this, we use tomatoes. We cut 2 parts of the tomato into circles where we have grown the stem. Along with this, we have to attach both parts of the tomato. See how beautifully we have made this beautiful flower with the help of vegetables. How cute the flower has become, and it looks very beautiful to look at. Subscribe to our channel to watch more such good videos.